How to fix Roblox your account has not been charged problem. So if you haven't yet, you can go ahead and check if the problem is still ongoing. And if it has, you don't have to do anything else. But if this problem do occur, that would mean you don't have enough currency or the server is in where there are some services that are currently unoperational. So to check for this, you're gonna have to go to Roblox status. So it's gonna be the first link you'll find. Over here we can see we have some operational issues like a partial service disruption. But currently there isn't a problem with the charging with your account. But if there is, you should be able to see that the operational issue is that. So if it's still going on, the best thing and the only thing you could technically do is just wait and refresh, as it pretty much gets reloaded every few seconds. So that's your best bet on trying to fix this problem. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.